Elon Musk says settlers will likely die on Mars. Will? I can't say I'm surprised. We've known this. He was at a recent conference on Monday. How does he find time for the conference? Yeah. And he said that the first Mars settlers have a good chance of death. And I suppose he's right, whether it's immediate death after a couple of months, or just death because you're not coming back.
Yes.
It's a heck of a trip. Once they finally get to the point of doing this thing, it's going to take maybe a year to get there. It doesn't stop people from signing up. All the way back in 2013, people have been signing up to go to Mars. They're saying, look, if maybe I die, so what? I'm a guy, I went to Mars.
Yeah.
Astronaut requirements. There's many things that could kill you there, Will. Many things. It's obviously it's cold. It's not the most welcoming place. They're going to have to figure out ways to get resources there. Interestingly, there's some ideas about getting raw materials there and using things like 3D printers and chemical processes to turn those raw ingredients into many things instead of trying to ship everything there, which might not be feasible. So they're looking for raw materials and then equipment that can transform those raw materials into the necessary components for life on Mars. Are you going or no?
After some really successful launches for a couple of years.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would go.
You'll check it out. Well, here's a quote from Elon Musk. Good chance you'll die. It's going to be tough going, but it will be pretty glorious if it works out.
Would you go?
Yeah, I'll go.
You'll go? Okay.
No, I'm not going to go.
Oh, Jesus.